Hi YouTube friends, it's Victoria from Victoria Makes. Now today we're going to be using up more of our leftovers over Christmas, and I've got quite a lot of double cream left. Soft cheese as well. So I've got a son's birthday in January, so I thought what I will do is incorporate these ingredients and make up a cheesecake and freeze it so we can actually have it at the end of January and we're not wasting any food on Christmas. So it's a simple recipe. To serve up to 8 people, you will need 80 grams of unsalted butter and 200 grams of digestive biscuits, 2 tubs of cream cheese, usually approximately about 270-280 grams each pot, 300 ml of double cream, and you'll need some Bailey's Irish cream, or if you want to just do a plain cheesecake, some vanilla essence. I'm going to put Bailey's Irish cream in this one today, so I'm going to make a Bailey's Irish cream cheesecake, but just omit the Bailey's and you can make an ordinary cheesecake, or you could add lemon curd or vanilla essence, or you could do sort of like a spice one for Christmas using cinnamon, ginger and spice. Just put in a teaspoon of each of them and half a grated zest of an orange, and that's very nice as well, and that'll give it like a gingerbread taste. If you wanted to do something with chocolate on it, you could do the plain base and then you could make the chocolate ganache, double cream and melted chocolate, and pour that over the top so you've got like one layer of chocolate ganache and then cheesecake and digestive biscuit cake. So if you've got some double cream to use up, all you'll need is the cheapest supermarket cream cheese there is and the cheapest packet of digestive biscuits and some butter, and we'll crush the digestive biscuits up using a food processor, or what I've done is I've put my digestive biscuits in a freezer bag, and with a rolling pin I've rolled over it until it's all fine like breadcrumb. If you've got a food processor you can just process it like that, it's nice and quickly. Okay, this is a delicious recipe. We've already had one this Christmas, so I thought, well, it's been a roaring success, so I'll make another one and film it for you. So hope you can try the recipe. If you've got any other flavourings that you use, please leave comments in the comment box, and please press the like if you like this video. Thank you. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe. Let's get on with the recipe. So we're going to, as I say, we're going to have about 80 grams of butter. We're going to melt that in a pan and then add it to the digestive crumbs. I also forgot to mention, at the minute I'm using a cake tin with a spring form release, and I've lined this with cling film. The reason for that is that I'm going to be putting it straight in the freezer to freeze. When it's frozen I will take it out of this tin, and obviously it'll be wrapped up, and I'll protect it further by wrapping it a bit further, but it'll help to get it out of the tin when it's frozen easily for me. I'll use a spring form one because then you can get your cheesecake out straight away. Take this apart and put it on your serving dish. Right, pop the digestive biscuits into the mixing bowl, and I'll get a little spoon, and then I've melted all the butter in a pan so it's nice and runny, and then it's just a case of pouring in the melted butter, and mixing it in. And what you want it to do is get it so it's all mixed in, and it will look like breadcrumbs. It's a few minutes to stir it and fill the mix in to incorporate it. I have to put a little bit of the mixture in the pan so I get all the butter out. Get a mixture around to total the rest of them in the pan. We can mix them, and it should then look nice and grainy, a bit like couscous when it's mixed. Keep mixing it in so that any big lumps get broken down, and if you put to press it down on the side of your bowl, it holds its own if you like. So you don't want too much fat in because otherwise it'll be greasy and horrible at the end of it. And you've got a lot of sort of richness anyway in the cheesecake. So that's lovely. So what we do now is get our base and we're going to fill it. Right then guys, so what I'm going to do now is, that's my cling filmed tin. I'm going to pour all the digestive mixture crumb mix into the bottom. And then with the back of the spoon I'm just going to evenly distribute it around the bottom and up the side. Gently press it down, it gets compacted in. Try and make it even. Make sure that as you go along it's even the base. Smooth it out as you go and make it level, and then when it's level just go back round with your spoon pushing it down, and then that's it. So what you need to do now is chill that down and chill it in the fridge for about half an hour. If you're in a rush you get it in the freezer and chill it for 15 minutes. Right, so what I've done is I've put the mascarpone and the soft cheese and the double cream, and you can either put 2 or 3 tablespoons of Bailey's Irish cream liqueur in, or you can use the Bailey's double cream that you can buy in the supermarket. So this one here is really nice, it's readily available in most of the supermarkets, and I'm going to put the whole pot in, which is 250 ml. So I'm going to whisk up the double cream and the cream cheeses and the Bailey's cream. Alright friends, so I've whipped it up now to a nice very thick consistency. I'll show you how thick it is. Nice and thick. So we've got the base out of the freezer, and all we need to do now is literally pop it onto the digestive crumb base. So it's a basic cheesecake mix, and as I said before, you can flavour it how you like. You can have a lemon one, put in some lemon curd through it. You could do just a plain one, sweetened up with some sugar, and then put fresh raspberries and summer fruits on the top. That's a classic one, isn't it? So you just basically smooth it level again, like we did with the base. Try and make it as level as possible. And then what I do is I get some grated plain chocolate, and then pop it all over the top. It's really simple cheesecake, and you can make it as elaborate as you like. And it's a great way of using up that double cream that you've got left over from Christmas. I'll continue doing more of this chocolate because we like a lot on ours. Right friends, so that's the cheesecake all finished. What I will do now is I'll cover the top with cling film, pop it into the freezer and keep it until we need it. And all we'll need to do is in a day or two I'll lift it out and then cling film it all, because it'll be solidified then, and then we'll leave it in the freezer like that, and then I can utilise my cake tin for further baking. I hope you like that recipe, and I hope you'll give it a go and utilise all those leftovers in the fridge. I'll also do some recipes this month how to save money and do some low cost meals, and let's get these things out of the fridge used up. Don't let's have any waste if we can help it. Let's cut the bills down a little, it'll all help, won't it? Take care. I hope you like this video. Please give it a like if you do, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing and hitting the notification button so that you can see what content comes up straight away. Have a great day now, and see you again. Bye now.